Ever feel like your Nissan Titan is tough, but daily life inside it could be way smoother? These accessories fix clutter, sliding cargo, cold starts, and tailgate headaches. Most owners sleep on them, but they're total game changers. All product links are waiting for you in the video description. Starting at number 8, the DuHa underseat storage is one of those, why didn't Nissan do this from the factory? Upgrades. It turns wasted underseat space into a legit storage vault for tools, recovery gear, or road trip essentials. Reviews love the heavy-duty roto-molded build that doesn't flex or rattle, even on rough roads. The factory-matched look keeps your interior clean, and the removable dividers let you customize it for real-world use. At number 7, the LOVEETA cargo grabber is small, but straight-up clutch. If you're tired of climbing into the bed to grab stuff that slid forward, this telescoping hook saves your back and your patience. It's lightweight, strong enough to handle serious loads, and the magnetic mount keeps it right where you need it. Owners rave about how fast it becomes a daily use tool once you throw it in your Titan. Number 6 is the Fgtagtal glove box divider, and yeah, it sounds boring until you use it. This thing instantly turns glove box chaos into clean, usable storage. The ABS construction fits tight with zero rattles, and installation takes about 5 seconds with no tools. Reviews consistently mention how easy it is to find cables, paperwork, and sunglasses without digging like you're panning for gold. At number 5, the Heininger HitchMate cargo stabilizer bar is a lifesaver if you actually use your truck bed. Instead of cargo sliding everywhere, this ratcheting bar locks it down fast. It's adjustable, heavy-duty, and strong enough for awkward loads like coolers, trash cans, or toolboxes. Titan owners love the no-tools install and the rubber feet that grip without scratching the bed. The StartX Remote Starter Kit is one of those upgrades that instantly changes how you use your Nissan Titan every single day. Cold mornings? Fire it up and let the cabin warm before you even step outside. Hot summer afternoons? Cool it down ahead of time and skip the sweat. What owners really like is that it works with your factory key fob. No extra remotes, no clutter. The plug-and-play T-harness keeps the install clean with no wire cutting, and reviews praise the clear instructions and reliable performance. It truly feels like a factory feature Nissan should have included from the start. At number 3, the Rough Country Hydraulic Tailgate Assist might be small, but it makes a huge difference. No more tailgates slamming down or juggling gear with 2 hands. The hydraulic dampening lowers the tailgate smoothly every time. Titan owners love the no-drill install and how it instantly makes the truck feel more premium and easier to use day after day. Number 2 is the vehicle OCD center console divider, and this one's for anyone tired of losing stuff in the armrest abyss. It's American-made, thick plastic, and fits like an original equipment part. Reviews constantly mention how solid it feels and how it eliminates console clutter completely. It's cheap, simple, and you'll use it literally every time you drive. Taking the top spot at number 1, Center Console Organizer is a must-have for newer Titans. It creates usable storage behind the screen and instantly upgrades interior organization. The drop-in install takes seconds, the non-slip mats stop noise, and the fit looks factory clean. Owners love how it turns wasted space into something actually useful without messing up the interior vibe. If you want your Nissan Titan to work smarter, not harder, these upgrades are absolutely worth it. Practical, proven, and daily driver approved. Check the links in the video description to grab them, and don't forget to subscribe for more Titan tips and accessory breakdowns.